everybody. This is Shauna, and Charlotte's behind the recording here. Say hi, Charlotte.
Hi.
All right, today we're going to walk around this Windows tablet. And I'm going to, this is for competency number 8 in our AT&T training class. Day number 11.
I'll show you how to work iPhone.
All right. So,
So
I'm going to show you how you can resize and reorder the tiles. So we'll just pick a random
Here's
tile
the
here.
iPhone here.
I'm going to go to calendar and I'm going to hold my finger on
add,
the tile.
a folder.
Holding my finger on the tile, you'll notice at the bottom bar, it's going to say down here, unpin, pin, uninstall, resize. We're going to hit resize. It's going to give us the option, large, medium, wide, small. Pick whatever size you want. All right, so we got that down. Okay, say we want to move the calendar. We're just going to hold it, move it to whatever group we want it to go to, drop it. Easy as that. All right, we got that down. So also this tablet has the Charms menu. Charlotte, let's switch places here. Why don't you go ahead and show us how to use the Charms menu?
Okay, not a problem. What you would do, you would just simply slide, and then there it goes. It opens up different options. You have your search, your share, your start, your device, and your settings options. And that's it. And you just press anywhere else on the screen, and it closes out for you.
Okay, now also, we want to view all the apps on the tablet. You know how to do that, Charlotte?
I sure do. You would just simply go inward. Wait a minute here. Okay.
There we go.
Inward, and there's all your apps.
All
in one
right.
spot.
And also, we're supposed to show you how to switch to desktop mode. Unfortunately, we don't have the keyboard, but to switch to desktop mode, simply we're going to set it on the keyboard, right? And at that point, it's going to ask us about switching to mobile or desktop mode.
Exactly.
Easy as that.
Thank you. And that's it. You're from the class. Bye.
Bye.